Today I will be showing you how you can move WordPress from a local computer to a live website. Hi everyone, I am Tanvir from 𝗙𝗂𝗵𝗁𝗋. Previous video I show you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. Follow the link in the I button. You want to move that local WordPress site to a live website like this. You can do that by following the steps that I show you in this video. So keep watching. So to move the content from local site to the live website, we are going to do 3 steps. First, install a plugin on both of our site. So let's go to the localhost WordPress dashboard. Then go to plugin and then click add new. Now search for a plugin called all-in-on. Now click install now and active. Now install this same plugin in both of our website. Same process. So now we can go to step 2, which is to export the content of our local site. So to export the content of our local site, let's go to a localhost dashboard and then go to all-in-on WP migration and click export. Okay guys. Now click export to and file. Now click download and the content will be downloaded into a file. And then click close. This is our fresh live website. Now go to dashboard. Now install our previous plugin and install it in the same process before I show you in this video. So go to plugin and click add new. Okay, now search this plugin all-in-on. Okay guys, now install this plugin and click activate. Done. Okay, so now we have got the content of a local site into a file. Now we can go to the final step. Import this file into a live website. So let's go to dashboard, then go to all-in-on WP migration and click import. Okay guys, now click import. Now choose the file which you have downloaded. Now drag and drop this file. Once you have drag and drop this file, you have error message. This is maximum upload size error message. It's depend on your server to your hosting account. I will show you how to solve this problem. Now install all-in-on WP migration premium plugin. Download link in the description below. Now go to link, then download this plugin. Okay guys, now go to plugin and then click add new. Now click upload plugin, then drag and drop this download file. Now click install, then click activate plugin. Okay guys, it's done. Now go to all-in-on WP migration and click import. Okay guys, see here. Now our maximum upload file size unlimited. Now import the content of our local site. Now click proceed to start the import. And click finish. And it's done. So all our local site content has been imported live website. So let's check that. So we can see that all the content has been moved to a live site. So this is how you can move your WordPress site from a computer to live website. Now if you want to log into a WordPress site, just add /login after your site address and press enter and login into WordPress. Okay guys, you need to use a local whose username and password is enter the login details of a local site and then click login. Okay, so now you can start making change to your website and all the changes will appear on your live website. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you have any query, please comment below. Bye bye.